As you can see, the cutting disc on this strimmer is well worn out, and the holding pin is in need of some care and attention. Best way is to get a new one of these. Now these things are, it's not obvious how it comes off, but with a little investigation I found out that if you just, it pulls out like that, easy as that, and you can find a replacement for these and get one. I'm sure they're available on many of the local stores. So what you need to do to order the right one is to find the model number of the unit. As you can see, it's all on here. So it's the serial number and the model number, and hopefully it should be very easy to replace.